In this video, we're going to take a look at our new Deluxe Masonry plugin for Planswift. In the Templates tab, you'll have a new template called Deluxe Masonry Assemblies. This is where all the assemblies that come with the plugin are. It's a combination of takeoff assemblies as well as some drag and drop assemblies. And these assemblies are basically the same as the Bid Pro Masonry assemblies, with the addition of the fact that you can now input pricing for material and labor. And in addition to generating the two material reports, the Deluxe plugins also generate a detailed bid report. And we'll take a look at that in a second. This is our CMU walls assembly. And I'll just click through some of the tabs and show you real quick what the inputs look like, in addition to making your material item selections from the drop-down list. You can also input your pricing for material and labor for each item. Anything that you don't need to use in the assembly, you can just select NA and it will turn that item off. And again, if you're familiar with the Bid Pro Masonry plugin, or if you want to take a look at those videos, they go more in depth in showing you the entire system. So again, you work your way across the tabs, make your material selections, input your pricing for your material and labor. And taking a look at the reports real quick. Of course, just like the Bid Pro Masonry plugin, we've got the materials by location and the material summary report. So the materials by location report is a material report that's going to group your material items by a subgrouping that you can select with the location folders. So we have 4 subgroups here of foundation masonry, first level masonry, 3, and exterior masonry. So you can see how it groups the material for each subgroup. The material summary report just gives you a consolidated list of all of your like items for the whole project. And the new bid detail report, you can see, gives you a breakdown of the entire project bid for you, and it organizes it in labor and material categories, shows you your quantities, your unit costs for each, and your extended costs. It also gives you a subtotal for labor and material. And once you install the plugin, any new job that you create from that point forward for each project, you're prompted to input the tax percentage. You can add a labor overhead percentage if you like, and then a profit percentage. And as you can see, you do one takeoff with the assemblies and it instantly generates your material list and your bid detail. The Deluxe Masonry plugin can also be customized by us to meet your company's specific needs. So if you see something that once you get the plugin that you'd like to adjust to fit to the way that your company does things, we can definitely take care of that for you.